Want to use your favorite messaging app instead of the default one on your Samsung Galaxy phone? In this guide, I'll show you the quick steps to change your default SMS app in 2026, making texting easier and more convenient for your daily communication. So, opening the Settings applications, scroll down through the menu and tap Apps. On the Apps screen, tap Choose Default Apps near the top. This section lets you decide which apps your phone uses by default for common tasks. Next, tap SMS app. You'll see a list of installed messaging apps that support SMS and MMS. Select the app you want to use by tapping the radio button next to its name. For example, if you want to use Google Messages instead of Samsung Messages, simply select Google Messages. Your phone will immediately set it as the default SMS app. Once you've made the change, exit the Settings menu and open your newly selected messaging app. You should now be able to send and receive text messages using that app without any extra setup. If it's your first time opening the app, you may be asked to grant permissions such as access to your contacts, notifications, and SMS messages. Be sure to allow these permissions so the app can work properly. The great thing about Android is that you're never locked into one messaging app. If you decide later that you prefer a different app, you can return to Settings apps, choose Default apps, SMS app, and switch again at any time. That's it. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like, subscribe, and see you next time.